Alright. I'm going to shoot some more of the steel case that bigtxrebel sent me. I think you can see that. But I got 3 magazines here. I'm going to shoot all 3 of them and see how they perform and see how we do. Alright. Off from about 10 yards. Uh-oh. Alright, we're going to inspect this. We have the first jam, period. See a stovepipe and then it's tried to feed. It got caught on the top left part. See if you can see that. I don't know how well you can see that, but it definitely fucking happened. That's alright. It's steel case ammunition. I knew it would probably jam eventually. That's nothing I would carry for self-protection, but just to go shoot in the range, who gives a shit? So, now there's your living proof. The first jam I finally ever had on the Taurus PT 1911. 709 Slim, you fucking idiot. Let's get that. Now it's double feeding. Shouldn't have done that. Son of a bitch. Alright, as you saw, that was the first jam the motherfucker ever had. It might be the ammunition, I don't know. But, let's go try it again, alright? Roll it. Okay, we got another fucking jam. I'm pretty sure it's the ammo. It's not your fault, bigtxrebel. It's just, I don't think it enjoys the steel casing. That's me. I don't know if you can see exactly what happened. But, it's stovepipe once again. Keep stovepiping. Let's try it one more time. Alright, new magazine. Alright, try another magazine. Okay, so it ran fine. You saw those 2 jams. I don't know why it stovepiped twice, but it did. So I don't know. It's, you know, probably the ammunition. I doubt it's the gun, because mine never did it with any other ammo. But you know, it's all right. I still appreciate it, bigtxrebel. And I got something for you, and I think you're really gonna like what I bought you. But anyways, she still had 2 jams. Obviously she's not gonna carry that for her self-protection ammo. It's just something to shoot at the range. But let's see how we did. I mean, the guy's dead, but I got a couple here. I got a flyer there and a flyer there, but center mass I got a handful. And a couple over here in his shoulder. But dude's dead. Good ammo. Thanks, bigtxrebel, even though that motherfucker jammed up a couple times. I know it's not the ammo, but it's not a big deal. I mean, I figured it'd jam up at least once because it's steel case. I mean, you know, it just doesn't enjoy it that much, but it'll shoot it. The other two magazines ran fine, but it's all right. Appreciate it, bro. And I just wanted to show y'all a real good inspection of that jam because I want y'all to know everything that's true. All right, see you guys.